Okay guys, let's go over to next topic, which is matrices. And here we are given a matrix P is equals to 1 alpha 3 1 3 3 2 4 4, which is the adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix A. So this matrix P is adjoint of A, and we also know modulus of A is equals to 4. Then we need to find the value of alpha. So here we don't know matrix A to calculate the adjoint and find the values of alpha, but in my previous videos when I solved some questions from matrices, I derived a formula that modulus of adjoint of some matrix is equals to modulus of the matrix order minus 1. So here the order is 3 by 3, so n minus 1 would be mod A square. So for this question, let me again derive that formula. So first we know A inverse is equals to adjoint of A by det A. Now multiply A on both sides, we get A into A inverse is equals to A into adjoint A by determinant of A. Now A into A inverse is identity matrix. I is equals to A into adjoint A by modulus of A. Now multiply this, we would have determinant of A into identity matrix is equals to A into adjoint of A, or we can also write A into adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A into I. So we finish the first part. Even this is an important identity, you can remember this. Now let me consider this A into adjoint A is equals to determinant of A into I. Now let's apply determinant on both sides. Det of A into adjoint A is equals to determinant of det A into I. Now determinant of A into adjoint A is nothing but determinant of A into determinant of adjoint A. Now coming over to right hand side, this becomes little tricky, but let me explain it. So consider A matrix A to be a 3 by 3 matrix. Let A is equals to 3 by 3 matrix. Then modulus determinant of A into identity matrix can be written as det A 0 0 0 det A 0 0 0 det A. Now when you apply, this is a matrix which is determinant of A into I. This is determinant of A into I. Now we want that determinant of this matrix. So determinant of A into I, which is determinant of this matrix, that is modulus of A 0 0 0 modulus of A 0 0 0 modulus of A. This is nothing but modulus determinant of A into det A whole square minus 0, and the remaining terms are 0. So we get determinant of A whole cube. So we considered it a 3 by 3 matrix, we got determinant of A whole cube. So in the same way, if we consider it a 4 by 4 matrix, we get determinant of A whole power 4. 5 by 5 matrix, determinant of A whole power 5. N by n matrix, determinant of A whole power n. So here we are doing a generalized case. So A is an n by n matrix, n cross n matrix. So as we simplified here, we would get determinant of A power n. तो हमें हमें LHS में डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए है, RHS में भी डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए है, तो डिवाइड करेंगे. डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इज़ कांस्टेंट, सो हम कर सकते हैं. तो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए पावर n बाई डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए विच वुड बी डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ एडजॉइंट ए इज इक्वल्स टू det a to the power n minus 1. So n is the order of the matrix. Here it is 3 by 3 matrix which is mentioned. So the formula is determinant of adjoint A is equals to det A square. तो ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पर. Now P is adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equals to P is equals to 1 alpha 3 1 3 3 and 2 4 4. तो अभी हमें डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ एडजॉइंट ए चाहिए, तो उसके लिए कैलकुलेट करते हैं. डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल्स टू डेट ऑफ पी इज 1 alpha 3 1 3 3 and 2 4 4. तो इसे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. 1 into 12 minus 12 minus alpha into 4 minus 6 plus 3 into 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6. First term is 0 minus alpha into minus 2 plus 3 into once again minus 2. तो ये हो गया 2 alpha minus 6. तो हमें पता चलेगा डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इज़ 2 alpha minus 6 और हमें डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए तो पहले से ही पता है विच इज़ 4. तो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल्स टू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए होल स्क्वायर. Adjoint of A is 2 alpha minus 6 is equals to 4 square. 2 alpha minus 6 is equals to 16. 2 alpha is equals to 22. Hence alpha is equals to 11. So the answer is 11. Okay, coming over to next question from matrices. We are given S is a set of all real matrices which such that A is ABCD and a condition is A plus D is equals to 2 and A transpose is equals to A square minus 2A. Then we have to find the number of elements in set S. So first let's start from the given information which is A transpose is equals to A square minus 2A. So A transpose A B C D transpose is equals to A B C D whole square minus 2 times of A B C D. Okay, now transpose of this matrix A B C D would be A C B and D, which is equals to square of this matrix A B C D into A B C D minus 2A 2B 2C and 2D. Now let's get this term over to this side. Then that would become addition to this A plus 2A which is 3A, C plus 2B, C plus 2B, B plus 2C, B plus 2C and D plus 2D is 3D. This is equals to the product of these two matrices, that is A into A square plus B into C plus BC, A into B AB plus BD and AC plus CD BC plus D square. C into B which is BC plus D into D is D square. Now we have two matrices which are said to be equal. So two matrices are equal when their corresponding elements are equal. So let's equate the corresponding elements. So we get 3a is equals to a square plus bc. 3a is equals to a square plus bc and c plus 2b is equals to ab plus bd, b plus 2c is equals to ac plus cd and 3d is equals to bc plus d square. A square plus bc, ab plus bd, ac plus cd, bc plus d square. So this is it. Now we have 4 equations, and if we simplify this, we get values of a, b, c, d. Then we can write the number of matrices which can exist following the conditions. So we have c plus 2b. So let's proceed. We have bc and bc over here. So if we subtract, we have 3 into a minus d is equals to a square minus d square, which would be a plus b into a minus b. That would give us 3 into a minus d is equals to a minus d into a plus d. This gets cancelled. A plus d is equals to 3. So the first condition we get is a plus d is equals to 3. But according to question, a plus d value should be 2. So we can see that there can't exist any value of a and d satisfying the given condition. So we can say that a and d values do not exist. So there won't be any matrix exist as A, hence the set S is an empty set. The number of elements are 0.